Hey, Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. One more jig video for you. Stick around. Just a quick one today. I'm building T-bolts because what I'm doing here has some adjusters, so it's just like a super simple. I made all of these first. I cut them on the saw so they're uniform length. I actually put this in the drill and just run it over that. I lock the trigger on here, which you're not supposed to do. I put it in the drill and took me 2 minutes to deburr all these, and they look nice. I got bolts, and I got a jig that I made. So, super simple. Drop the bolt in the jig. Drop this guy on here. And perfectly centered, perfectly level every time. So let's tack this up. As usual, safety equipment. Can you see me? I do put a clamp on here. And let's tack. The other advantage of this is when you're done, this pops out of here, and the threads have been protected because they're down below where no weld spatter can get on them. So that's it. Focus. I guess we're not focusing today. Anyway, that's it. You don't need much on there. They're just finger tight. So, like my videos, subscribe. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll. Jigs.